It's November, the leaves are falling, and people are starting to think that it's acceptable that the gardens have no colour. Well, now I'm going to go through a few plants that will give you lots of colour in your gardens. Mahonia, look at that. This is the time of the year when they are in their prime. And if you can see from the video, it's full of bees as well. Choicea, the leaves on this smell wonderful, and they flower in November with these beautiful white flowers. Wigella, they flower now. Oh, it turned me into a newt. I got better. And the unsung hero, feverfew, and dahlias are still in flower too. Fuchsia, don't forget your fuchsias, they look great. And just enjoy your trees as well. But don't forget pyracantha, they give a beautiful bloom of these berries. Salvia as well, and they can come in dual colour flowers too. We call them hot lips. And this hydrangea, it looks beautiful, like something from a shop. And also use your aces, they have the incredible foliage this time of the year. Cosmos give you flowers all year until the frosts. And this viburnum will flower in December. You can see the buds on that. And don't forget a nandini. They look like a mahonia. Nerine, this has flowered for the last 2 weeks. They look beautiful. And this leucanthemum, I gave this a chop in May, so it delayed its flowers. But enjoy your garden. It's November. It's time to enjoy it. Things have slowed down. Happy gardening.